Here's a quick demo of a KENWOOD 8021. We've just installed it into this Honda Civic Mugen Type R. It's connected wirelessly at the moment and we're in Apple CarPlay. So we can scroll through and access the best parts of our phone. So we can do telephone calls, we can do music apps, and we can access our maps. It has digital radio, and we can access the station list, and you can pick a station and you can program it onto the presets at the side, and we've got a good graphic equalizer to play with. And we'll just put it in reverse. We've installed a rear camera. There we go, that's what's behind us. And in the armrest, under where your elbow goes, we've installed a USB charger. It's hard to see, but there it is. That's a great addition to the vehicle.